Alright, what is up everybody? It's your boy Rob with Finance Boss, and today we're tackling a big one. Your bank account's looking like it needs CPR? Let's fix that with 5 side hustles you can start by next week. No magic wand required. I'm serious. By this time next week, you could actually be seeing extra cash hitting your account. We're not talking about some crazy, complicated schemes here. We're talking about real, actionable ways you can boost your income, starting, now. I get it. The thought of making more money can feel overwhelming. Maybe you think you need special skills, or a ton of startup cash, or connections you just don't have. But I'm here to tell you that's not the case. Today, I'm laying out 5 of the absolute best side hustles that pretty much anyone can start. We're going to break down exactly what they are, why they're so quick to get going, and the simple steps you need to take. No more waiting around for a miracle. Let's make some money. So if you're tired of watching your bank balance do the limbo, or if you're just looking for ways to fund that next big purchase, or even just want some extra breathing room, you are in the exact right place. Get ready to take some notes, because these aren't just ideas. These are actual game plans. We're going to turn your spare time into serious earning potential. Really quickly, before we get started, I'd like to remind you that I upload frequently on this channel. So if you enjoy my videos and love financial tips and ideas, you might as well hit the subscribe button. It costs you nothing, and it helps me out with the crazy YouTube algorithm. Okay, let's go. All right, first up, we've got freelancing. Now, what even is freelancing? Simply put, it's where you offer your skills or services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Think about it. You've got skills. Maybe you're a wizard with words, or you can design amazing graphics, or you're super organized and could be a virtual assistant. These are all things people and businesses are willing to pay for right now. You could be writing blog posts for companies, designing logos for startups, managing social media accounts, or even doing voiceovers for videos like this one. The range of services you can offer is huge. It's not about having a fancy degree. It's about what you can do. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are basically giant marketplaces, connecting people like you with clients who need your help. It's a total game changer. So why does freelancing work so quickly? Well, the barrier to entry is incredibly low. You don't need a physical office. You don't need a massive investment. You just need your skills and a laptop. Plus, these platforms make it super easy to find clients. They literally bring the work to you. People are actively searching for freelancers every single day, so the demand is already there. You can set your own rates, choose your own hours, and pick projects that actually interest you. That flexibility is a massive win. And because you're working directly with clients, often on short-term projects, you can start seeing payments roll in much faster than waiting for a traditional paycheck. We're talking about getting paid within days or weeks of completing work, not months. Now, how do you get started in less than a week? It's simpler than you think. Step 1, head over to Fiverr or Upwork. Step 2, create a killer profile. This is your shop window, so make it look good. Highlight your skills, showcase any past work if you have it, even personal projects count, and be clear about what you offer. Think about what makes you stand out. Step 3, create your gigs or service listings. Be specific. Instead of just saying I do writing, say I will write engaging 500-word blog posts, or I will design a professional logo. Set your prices. Next up, let's talk about delivery driving. You've seen the cars. You've probably ordered from them. DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Instacart. These apps are everywhere. And guess what? They need drivers. Delivery driving is exactly what it sounds like. You pick up food from restaurants or groceries from stores and deliver them to hungry customers. It's a super straightforward way to make money. The demand for delivery is absolutely insane, especially these days. People love convenience, and they're willing to pay for it. This means there's a constant stream of orders, which translates to a constant opportunity for you to earn. You're basically the hero, bringing someone their much-anticipated pizza or their weekly groceries. It's a vital service, and you get to be a part of it. Why does this work so quickly? Because the sign-up process for these apps is usually pretty fast. You download the app, fill out your information, consent to a background check, and if you have a reliable vehicle, car, scooter, sometimes even a bike in certain areas, and a smartphone, you're pretty much good to go. Many drivers get approved and can start taking deliveries within a few days to a week. There's no complicated interview process, no need to submit a long resume. The apps need drivers, and they've streamlined the process to get you on the road earning money as soon as possible. Plus, the flexibility is a huge draw. You turn on the app when you want to work and turn it off when you're done. You are literally your own boss in terms of scheduling. So how do you get started in less than a week? First, pick your platform, or even sign up for a couple to see which one you like best or which is busiest in your area. Download the driver app, not the customer app. Go through the application process. This usually involves providing your driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance information. Once your background check clears and your account is activated, you're ready to roll. Sell your unused items, that old video game console, those unworn clothes, unused exercise equipment, it's all potential cash. Declutter your life and get paid for it. No upfront cost, just list and sell. Start today. Find 5 things, list them, and sell them within an hour. It's that fast to get the ball rolling. For animal lovers, pet sitting or dog walking is a dream job. Get paid to play with dogs, cuddle with cats, and more. Platforms like Rover and Wag make it easy to start. Set up a profile, and you can get bookings quickly. Your love for animals and reliability are key. Last but definitely not least, our 5th side hustle is tutoring or teaching online. If you've got knowledge in a particular subject or a skill you can share, there are people out there willing to pay you to learn from you. And the best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your own home, thanks to the power of the internet. What exactly is online tutoring or teaching? It can be anything from helping a student with their math homework to teaching someone a new language, to showing someone how to play a musical instrument, or even coaching someone on a specific software. If you know something well, chances are someone else wants to learn it. Why is this a quick starter? Because there are numerous online platforms designed to connect tutors and teachers with students. Sites like Chegg Tutors, TutorMe, Schooly, or even platforms for teaching English online, like VIP Kid, though requirements vary, make it easy to create a profile and get discovered. You don't need to build your own website or find students all on your own. The demand for online learning has exploded. Students of all ages, from elementary school to adult learners, are seeking extra help or wanting to acquire new skills. This means a constant pool of potential clients, and you can often set your own hours, making it a flexible option to fit around other commitments. So, how do you get started in less than a week? First, identify what you can teach or tutor. What subjects were you good at in school? What skills have you developed through your hobbies or work? You don't need to be a certified professor. Often, you just need to know more than the student you're helping. Next, research online tutoring platforms. See which ones fit your subject area and your style. Some platforms might require a degree or specific certifications for certain subjects, while others are more open, especially for peer-to-peer tutoring or skill sharing. Create a compelling profile. All right, everyone. That's a wrap on 5 incredible side hustles you can genuinely start by next week. We've covered freelancing your skills, delivering goods, selling your unused stuff, pet sitting, and online tutoring. There's something in there for pretty much everyone, no matter your background or experience. The key takeaway here is that making extra money doesn't have to be a far-off dream. You don't need to wait for someday to make extra money. Just a Wi-Fi connection and some hustle. Like, subscribe, and comment below which side hustle you're trying first. Seriously, I want to know. Which one sparked your interest? Which one are you going to take action on this week? Remember, the hardest part is often just getting started. But once you take that first step, the momentum builds. Don't let these ideas just sit in your brain. Pick one, just one, and commit to setting it up. Whether it's creating that Fiverr profile, decluttering that closet, or signing up to walk some dogs, taking action is where the magic happens. You have the power to change your financial situation, and it can start sooner than you think. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button. This is Finance Boss, and I'll see you in the next video.